Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the headlight switch on a, should be like 55 to 59. This cab is actually a 58. Excuse my mess down here. I'm wiring all my lights up from scratch. So, but I'm going to show you how to get this out. So there is a button on the inside of here. You got to pull this all the way out. On the top side of the switch, you're going to have to reach up in here from underneath and get around the top of that switch. On the top back portion of that switch, there's going to be a little button that you got to push down. You're going to push that down and pull this out at the same time. You're going to have to wiggle this around and pull this out. And my button won't move, so I had to take some oil. This is actually some gun oil, which worked perfect because it had this little stem on it. I got up inside of there and squirted some of this on there. I'm going to let it sit for a little while because that button is so old and rusty up in there that it just won't push down, and I can't get this to release. Once I get this out, I'll show you guys exactly what that button looks like on there, so make it a little easier for you to find. But once you get this out, you just stick you a flathead screwdriver in here, turn this counterclockwise, and this thing right here will come off, and then you can pull the switch out of there. Alright, so I finally got that button to break free. I ended up having to get up in here with some needle nose pliers from back here because mine was all rusted up, and I grabbed a hold of that button, pulled this out, I grabbed a hold of it and twisted it back and forth and broke that button free. And then I was able to get it to push down to where I could pull this lever out. You can see it has a little groove right there. That's what holds that in place. So next you're just going to put you a screwdriver in this. Hopefully this thing will break free. Turn that counterclockwise. There goes that piece. Now the switch should pull down out of here. Now the reason I'm replacing my switch is because my lights keep flickering, and I can actually hear the switch making noise. So as the lights are flickering, I can hear this switch flickering. I can hear it making a bunch of noise inside of there. All right, so you can see right here, there's that button. So you'll push that down. It's located towards the back of the switch, and it's on the top. It'll be on the very top, so it'll be up here. So you push that, pull the handle out to the on position, push that in, and then pull that lever out. And that's it.